Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build and understand a complete AI powered content generator project. And in this video I am not just showing the code, I will explain everything step by step, line by line, especially DOM, styling and API logic. Also in this version we are not using the summary feature. We will focus only on the main AI response and the definition feature. So let's get started. First, let's quickly look at the HTML. We have doc type HTML. This tells the browser that we are using HTML5 version, and after that we have HTML len equals to en. Define the language of the page. Inside the head we have meta charset equals to utf, supports all characters, and after that we have viewport that control make layout responsive, and inside the body we only added a script file because we are creating the entire UI using JavaScript. After that, now let's move to JavaScript. Here we are creating element dynamically, and in that we have container main card. Heading is title, input is user input, button is used for send button, and after that we have showed for display AI response. Then we create a second panel for definition. There we have input 1 for topic input, and after that def is button, show def is result display. Important concept is this: we are not writing HTML manually. Everything is created using document.createElement. Now we assign text to elements. Heading is AI powered content generator. Input placeholder is ask anything, button is send. Now the UI is clean and user friendly. Right now everything look plain. So let's style it step by step. Let's start with the body. Margin equals to 0. Removes default browser spacing, and padding equals to 20 px. Adds space inside the page. Box sizing equals to border box. It makes width calculations easier. And after that font family. Applies a clean modern font. After that background equals to linear gradient. Adds a beautiful gradient background. Display flex, enable flex box layout. Justify content is center a content horizontally. Align items is flex start. Align content at the top. Minimum height 100 vh, take full screen height. Gap is 50 px, add space between both panels. Now the main container. Background white, create card look. Border radius 15 px. Round corner, box shadow, adds depth, look elevated. Padding 40 px, inner spacing, maximum width 500 px, limit width on large screen, width equals to 100%, responsive, margin top equals to 50 px, adds spacing, space from top. Let's style the heading. Center align, bigger font size. Now a cool trick, gradient background. Background clip text, transparent text. Result is a gradient text effect. Now the input field, full width, padding 4, comfort light border, rounded corner, transition 4, smooth animation. Focus on effect. On click, border turn blue. On blur, black, back to normal. Improves user experience. Now the button, full width, gradient background, white text, no border, round corners, cursor pointer, bold text, uppercase text, letter spacing, hover effect, move slightly upward, shadow appears, give interactive feels. Now the result display area. Light gray background, padding, rounded corner, mean height equals to 100 px, so it look good even when empty. Line height, improve readability. Word wrap, prevents overflow. White space pre-wrap. 4, keep formatting intact. Now the side panel, same card styling, white background shadow, fix width, maintain design consistency. Now let's move to the logic. When user click the button, show loading response. Use fetch to call API. Method is post, send data as JSON. Prompt includes user input. Example, what is JavaScript? Give me answer. When response comes, convert to JSON. Use optional chaining. Extract results safely. Display it on screen. If something goes wrong, catch block runs. Show message, error, generating answer. In the side panel, user enters topic, click button, API return definition, displayed in side box, simple but powerful feature. Finally, we add everything to the page append container to body, add elements inside container and add second panel. Now the full UI is visible. User enters a question, click the button, AI response, answer is displayed. And on the side definition feature words. So guys, in this project we learned DOM manipulation, patch API, async await, optional training, real AI integration, clean UI styling. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe, and tell me in the comment what you want next. See you in the next video.